This is an unsponsored video that contains products provided without charge by the manufacturer for demonstration purposes. All opinions are my own.
All right, it is around 20 degrees outside, and we've already got some snow on the ground, but I'm venturing out today because it's time to set up or continue the setup of my YARBO Snowblower. When we last saw him, I had done the unboxing and the initial setup. Now, the hardest part, which I didn't show in the unboxing video, but the hardest part of setting up the YARBO was the data center. The reason for that is the data center requires a hardwired Ethernet connection. So this cable, it's actually pretty long. I think it's 30 meters long. It actually goes all the way. I brought it along the fence here and over the top of my gate and into my back door. It comes all the way over here into this back door, and in the back door is where this is in my laundry room. That's where my router is. So unfortunately, you know, it's not the most energy efficient thing, but it's the only way I could do it, at least temporarily. Now in the spring, I will probably move it somewhere permanently on the house. But the other thing is, if you could see these 4x4s that are laid out here, I am planning to put a shed, replace this one with a wooden shed. I'll probably put the data center on the shed, and I will probably get a Wi-Fi repeater so that I can get signal out here. But right now, it is hardwired. Let's go into my YARBO app, and let's see if we're connected. Let's see. Nope, we're not connected. Network issue. Please check your router, your Wi-Fi. I have been seeing people complain about connectivity issues on the forums since the latest firmware update. And they say the best thing to do is to turn it off by unplugging the battery and putting it back in. Of course, that's not the easiest thing in the world to do. Okay, the docking station just went red. Now it's blue. Plugging the battery back in. Push the power button. And we have some lights. Hopefully this will get it woken up.
Ready to work.
Huh. Thank you very much. If it's ready to work, you should be able to communicate with me. Come on. Come on. Network issue. Please make sure your Wi-Fi is on. Map. Come on. I need to map it. Device GPS signal is weak. All right, I gotta go warm my fingers and let this thing find its GPS, and I'll be back. All right, let's try rebooting the data center. Well, data center still has green, so I guess that's good. All right, it's telling me here GPS has nothing, so if I hold over that, it's saying disconnected. Oh, wait, strong, online, 28 satellites. Maybe now it'll work. Add map. All right, let's see. Let's give this a shot. Okay. Great, beautiful. Work area. Draw work area's boundaries. Okay. Now we're in business. All right, I don't know what the right way to do this is, but let's try. I am going to say, now, I'm going to say start. Please control YARBO to map the target area. All right, here we go. All right, next. Set the snow throw directions. Okay, good. So I'm going to say this one is snow throwing, and this one is snow throwing. Beautiful. That should be fine. Next, update the work area settings. The overlap, 12 inches. Auger speed quiet, parallel, or circle. Let's try circle. Auger height. I don't think the auger should be that. Let's put it to about a 1/2 inch. That should be good. And the deflector angle, I don't want it too high. That's probably fine. Work twice. Preview. Let's do a preview. Interesting. Check. Check, baby. Congratulations. Create a pathway. Draw a pathway. Next. Oh, did it work? Let's see. Set snow throw directions. I did that. Oh, pathway settings. Wait a minute. Go to modify map. Let's modify that pathway. I'm going to modify the pathway, and I'm going to say set snow throw direction. Oh, the snow throw direction of the pathway? Is that how it does it? Oh, pathway. I want this to be higher. I'm going to put that like an inch. And this is going to be lower. And I'm going to have, okay. And set snow throw direction on the pathway. I'm going to say it's over here. Right? Yeah, that should do. That should definitely do. And this, right there. Great. Perfect. Done. That might be it. That might be it. Now, I don't have a no-go zone. I have my docking station. Oh, let's do a sidewalk. I'm going to add a sidewalk. I'm going to say start. Okay, here we go. Look at that. I drew a sidewalk. Next, that's going to be all along here. And all along here. Why not? Good. Next, sidewalk settings. Parallel. This is pavers, so I don't think I want it too high. I think I mean too low. I might just leave it at a 1/2 inch as well. I can leave the deflector angle up high. I don't care about that. And that should be fine. All right. Now, I wonder if I can tell it to go back to the dock. Let's try that. We are now ready to go back to the docking station. Shall we continue? Yes. Let's try this. Look at this! Yeah, I'm here. I'm a person. A person's a person.
Detected.
Yes, I know.
Person detected.
Yeah, I know. I'm detected.
Person detected.
Yes, I'm here. I know. Let me hide.
Ready to charge.
Beautiful. Oh, yes. Yes. You did it. You did it, man. You did it. All right, let's...
Charging.
Okay, cool. You don't really need a charge right now. So let's give it a try and see if we can get the whole thing to work. I'm going to go into the map and I'm going to say, all right, let's make this a work plan. I don't need a schedule. Plan, area 1 and sidewalk 1. Great. Name the plan. Snowblowing 1. That's what I'm calling it. Okay, that's my work plan. Great. Now I'm going to say, let's try it. Start now.
Person detected.
Yeah, okay. It don't like me here. All right. I'm going to go over here.
Detected.
Yeah. All right. Go. It's freaking doing it. All right, weak GPS signal. It's taking a pause. I don't know why it would have a weak GPS way out there. I guess it waits till it gets another signal. All right, there we go. We got signal. Should start up again. And there we go.
detected.
Yeah. Leave me alone. With GPS signal again. I guess my signal here in New Jersey on a cloud-free day is not the best. Interesting. Waiting for GPS signal. Just waiting. Hiding behind the garbage can here so it doesn't detect me. But I gotta tell you, it looks like he's doing a pretty good job.
Person detected.
Yeah, I know. Come on, can't I stand anywhere? Holy cow. It cleans off the dock, and then it turns around.
Ready to charge.
Beautiful. Good job, Yarbo. Good job. According to this, it only used 10% of its battery, so that's pretty darn good. I could have this thing go out there 10 times. All right, so, not bad. Now, of course, I have to replace the tracks on it. I'm going to take these off and put the ones on that are meant for snow, because those are the lawn tracks by default, and they're meant so that they don't tear up the lawn. But of course, they don't have enough grip to do snow. So I'm going to change those out. That's pretty easy to do. Yarbo has a video online on how to do that. But I'm really impressed. And of course, I still have to define the sidewalk out the front, which I can do. That's not a problem. I think that'll be fine. But I'm actually really impressed. And I can't wait for it to snow. I mean, whoever thought I'd say that? Living in New Jersey my whole life, I hated snow. I hate the cold. But not anymore.
Day 2.
And looky, we got some snow coming already. But one thing I am going to do, I did put the tracks on, the snow tracks. And I noticed that it's scratching up my pavers. And that really concerns me. So I asked online in a forum on Facebook, and people said they have taken them off. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the studs. They come off very easily with a drill and a 6mm socket. The weather outside is frightful, and the fire is so delightful. But since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.